We have two extremely large warehouses. Our electric bill went to more than $100,000 a year. We decided to look into solar. EFS kind of walked us through how we could make this pay back in less than 3 years. And so it made economic sense. It wasn't as simple as just hooking on to a system. EFS helped us go through all the steps so that we could get onto the electric grid. Our annual consumption was 600,000 kilowatt hours. And after we added our solar grids, we're now purchasing less than 300,000 kilowatt hours through our electric provider. We're generating all the rest ourselves. They pay for themselves in less than 3 years. Our electrical savings are about $15,000 a year. And in addition, for the power that we overproduce and push back out onto the grid, we're being compensated an additional $15,000. So it's paying us back about $30,000 a year. With our dashboard, we can look at any time to see what our productivity is, and if it appears that there are any issues, we can reach out to Paul and his team, and they are very responsive for us. In the last 7 years, we've actually had a couple of plant expansions, so we're actually utilizing more of our own power that we're generating. So it's helped us save a lot of money. As a company, we try to be good corporate citizens, so knowing that we're creating less of a impact on the environment by creating our own energy and being able to use it in-house just makes us feel like we are making a contribution.